Hello friends, in our last video I told you about a few things that we can keep at home and in what direction to attract abundance, to attract prosperity and good health. This video we will be speaking about the things that we should not be keeping at home and which will bring us luck as well if we avoid keeping these things at home. This is Irmala Kane Sutarwala, and a few things that we should avoid at home are, the first thing is we go to a market and we buy a lovely statue or maybe artifact or a mirror, something that is very expensive, and when we come home after a few days, suppose the mirror cracks or it breaks or the artifact breaks. So what do? We try and fix it with a quick fix, and when we do that, the artifact or the mirror, the statue is fixed, but there's always a crack that remains. So these things we should not be keeping at home. Have an open heart, give the artifact away or just throw it away, so it is not in your house anymore, because with a cracked artifact or statue or anything that is cracked in the house will always give you cracks in your relationships, in your dealings. So avoid keeping these things at home. Second thing that we need to avoid is if we have clocks and watches which are battery operated. Most of the time when we forget that we need to change the battery, even after the watch has stopped, it continues to remain in that time for a very long period, and then we realize, oh, we have to change the battery. So we need to realize these things much earlier. As soon as these things happen, we need to change the battery, and we need to get the clock or the watch started. This is because, what is the reason we see the watch or the clock? It is because we need to see the time at that time, right? And we need to see our time. And what happens if our watch or our clock stops? Our time stops. So it's very important to change this battery or discard the watch if you need to at that time. The third thing that we need to avoid is any cracks or any a window which has cracks, because a window which is cracked is not good to keep at home. What is the use of a window? We need to see far-sighted things with a window, or we need to see if somebody is nearing our home from a window. So what is the use of a window? And if we have cracks in that window, our vision would not be clear. So it is you need to replace that window immediately. This is another thing we shouldn't be having at home. One more thing is furniture. We have a terrace or we have a room in the house where we keep all our broken furniture, and then we say, okay, we'll repair it later when we get a carpenter, and then it just keeps, it's just there. This should be avoided, friends, because what is the use of furniture? We use it for our comfort. We get a sofa or we get a chair because we sit on it comfortably and take decisions, or we talk to our family or people around us, and we are comfortable in the place we sit. So we need to realize a broken furniture in the house is not good, because it does not give us that comfort which we require, and there'll always be a problem at home, and the things will be very uncomfortable. So we need to realize these 2-3 things which will keep our house happy, our life in a smooth sailing way, and we will have a lot of abundance with all these things if we just keep in mind all these things. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, and wait till my next video.